Good morning, students. Good morning, everyone. Open your cameras.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Open your cameras, everyone. Riddhi Agarwal, Manya, Harveen Kaur. Harveen Kaur, 4th C. How come you are here, beta? This is class 4th A. You have joined the wrong link. No, it's not a combined class. It's just class 4th A. I'll tell you whose class it is in 4th C. Wait. It's Sangeeta ma'am's class. You have your science class right now, Harveen. Beta, go and join that. Okay, rest all of you here. Now, Manya, Taranveer, Arjun and Riddhi are left to put their cameras on. Akshaj and Vedanshu are on leave today. Are they absent today? They have not joined the class since morning. Now I will let you speak. Now you all can speak. No, ma'am, Akshad joined the classes. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
But he has not joined this class. And what about Vedanshu?
Ma'am, Vedanshu has also joined.
Okay, Arjun
But
is
no,
saying, ma'am, my
no.
camera is not opening. Okay, beta. Then it's fine. Now you have told me the reason. Now it's fine. Okay, now what we are going to do today is, I'm going to ask you questions in the chat box. Okay. We are going to play a game. The name of the game is Fastest Finger First. Let's see whose fingers work the fastest. Who is the quickest to give answers in the chat box. But for that, what do you need? You need to remember the answers also. When you keep looking in the book, then how will you be the first one to type? How will you be the fastest one to give the answers? So it is kind of revision class also. Okay. And what you will do is you will type the answers to me directly, not to everyone. So that I will also first, I may come to know that who all are revising their chapters.
Okay, ma'am.
Ready for the game? Good. The first question.
Yes, ma'am.
Now everybody just have a look in the chat box. I will not speak anything now.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Now, first question is in the chat box. Let me see who answers it first. Oh, name the gases. See what I have typed. It's name the gases found in the atmosphere. Yes, you can. All of you have to say.
And the name of the gases are.
No, you don't have to tell. You have to type.
Okay, ma'am.
Everybody focus on typing the answers. Aradhya has already typed the answer. Very good, Aradhya. Very nice. So Aradhya comes first in this round. Let me see who comes second, third, fourth, and so on. Very good. Akshaj has typed. Vedanshu has sent. Very nice. Very good. Aradhya
Today
first,
I'm
Akshad second,
using
Vedanshu
laptop,
third.
so it is.
Yes. What?
Ma'am, today I'm using laptop, so all the letters are in caps lock.
No problem, beta. No problem. And Taranveer, you have just typed one gas, beta. At least type 3. I would have
Can
sent
I
your answer.
type group?
Adya Singh has typed 2 gases.
Can I type in group?
What, Ankush?
Ma'am, can I type group?
Can I what group?
Ma'am, he is saying that can I write in group?
Write in group. Okay, write in group. You want to type in the group? You can type it there. Second question. Are you all ready for the second question now? Yes. Okay. The second question comes is, very easy question. Very easy question. Name the processes of the water cycle. What are the three main processes that take place in the water cycle? Let me see how many of you remember. Name the 3 processes. Name the processes. Not just one process, children. You have to name all the processes that take place in the water cycle. Very good. Vedanshu's answer is already there. Very nice. With all 3 processes. Aradhya, you just sent me one process, so I will not count the answer. Yes, Adhya, Aman, Ankush, Taranveer, very nice. Taranveer comes second this time. He has named all the 3 processes. Very good, Akshaj. He stands third. Aman, where is your answer? Adhya, beta, where is your answer? Praveer.
Ma'am, what is question?
Aman, very good, very nice.
Ma'am, what is question?
What is?
Question.
The question is, name the 3 processes of the water cycle. Now, which are those 3 processes that take place in the water cycle? The first
Ma'am, yesterday I read the chapter.
Very nice. First is evaporation, second is condensation, and third is precipitation. These are the 3 processes that take place. So you were supposed to name them. Okay, never mind. Now the next question.
Ma'am, please give some hard question.
Beta, this is hard only. This is hard only. This is not easy.
Ma'am, don't ask too much hard, ma'am.
Okay, I will not ask too much hard.
Too much hard.
Name any 2. Now it's a suspense. Name any 2 what?
Name any 2 hydrosphere. Yes.
No. Now see, let me see who can answer. Name any 2 water bodies where water is found underground. Now this is a difficult one, Akshaj. You wanted this kind of a question? I want the names of 2 water bodies where water is found underground. Very nice. That's Akshaj who has answered it first. Akshat stands first in this one. Let's see who is the second one.
Some hard.
Very good, Aradhya. But Aradhya, wrong spelling, huh? What is the use of dictation? What is the use of difficult words? Then let me see who comes third.
Ma'am, this is also not hard.
Ma'am, a little hard, not too much. Ma'am, because only
Okay,
one
Vedanshu, very good. But again, spelling mistake. See the spelling? Oh, Taranveer, beta, that's wrong. See, now I asked you, name any two water bodies. If I say name any two water bodies, you can name any water body. Seas, lakes, ponds, rivers, oceans, anything. But I specified name any two water bodies where water is found underground. So Taranveer, underground water is found where? It is found in wells and aquifers. Okay? Not in oceans and continents. For oceans and continents, do we have to dig the ground and go? No, we can directly go. We can see the ocean in front of us. But for wells and aquifers, the water is underground. Okay? Have you seen a well? How many of you have seen a well? Tell me.
Ma'am.
What is a well? Well होता है कुआं. कुआं देखा है कितने
Yes,
लोगों ने
ma'am.
देखा है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Filled with water and without filled
Yes.
with
So
water.
that
Yes, ma'am.
wells are made underground. They contain underground water.
I see tube well also.
Very nice. These have underground water. Now, coming to the next question. Okay, why is Ansh Patel, Ankush Gautam, Aman, Praveer and Yuvraj not typing? Why are you not typing, children? Type anything, just try. Okay, don't.
Ma'am, where we have to start?
Where we have to write. Okay, Ankush Gautam doesn't know. Ankush, beta, you are using your cell phone to attend this class?
Ma'am,
Wait.
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am, I have come late, so because my laptop is not working, so please tell what we are doing.
We are just playing a game today. It's a quiz that is being taken up in the class today. Now let me teach Ankush Gautam how to type. Ankush beta, from your cell phone, can you see on the right hand side bottom, there are 3 dots coming. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Now click on those 3 dots. Can you see any option?
Ma'am, chart.
Yes, chat option is coming there.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now start chatting.
Yes.
Click on chat and start chatting. Now type something. Type your name and show me in the chat box. Type your name over there. Hurry up and send it to all of us. Very nice. Now see, Ankush has learned how to type in the chat box. Good. Now next answer I want from you only, Ankush. Is that fine? Name. Okay. Why am I saying? I will type the answer. Everybody look into your chat boxes. The question will appear over there. Now try to understand this question. Oh.
Ma'am, what question is this? I can't understand. Name the domain that includes 3 domains of the earth. Ma'am, what is this?
Okay, beta. See.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, this was also easy.
Yes.
Ma'am, this was also easy. I have typed the answer.
Yes. Name the domain that includes all three domains of the earth.
Yes, ma'am.
Wrong.
I typed.
Akshar. Wrong answer.
Ma'am, is my answer correct?
Ma'am,
Yes. Vedanshu. No. Vedanshu's answer is correct. Yuvraj, wrong answer. Beta, you have to name that domain which includes all three other domains. Which is that domain? Now you will be able to answer it.
Ma'am, written.
Very good. Very nice. Now it's correct. Akshat. Now you have understood, huh?
Ma'am,
Aradhya.
Yuvraj has written rock.
Yes, Yuvraj, beta, it's wrong. You have to name the domain. Praveer Singh, keep your banana aside.
Ma'am, can I tell the answer? Ma'am, I can't understand the question. Ma'am, I typing.
Ma'am, I also didn't understand.
Yes.
Ma'am, it's the answer. Ma'am, can I tell the answer?
Okay,
Good morning, ma'am.
now children, you have not understood the question. Just wait. You have to name that domain of the earth which includes all three other domains, which includes that portion where life exists. Which is that portion? Which is that domain that is including all three domains where life can take place?
What's the answer? Ma'am,
Aradhya, wrong, beta,
Ma'am, this is
wrong.
so
What-
easy.
Ma'am, the second one. The second.
Second one, Aradhya. Yes, Manya, very nice. Very good. Now Manya has understood the question.
Ma'am, but the
Ma'am, she
spelling
has
is
written
wrong.
biosphere. Ma'am, she has.
His spelling is wrong, beta. Spelling is
Ma'am,
wrong, but at
biosphere.
least she has understood.
Ma'am.
Which is that domain? Okay, lithosphere is a domain related to? Tell me. Related to? Speak it out. Lithosphere is a domain that includes
Land.
land. Very good. Hydrosphere includes?
Water.
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 Atmosphere includes?
Air.
Atmosphere. Biosphere includes?
All three domains.
All three domains.
All three domains where life exists.
Exist.
Yes. So my question is, which is that domain that includes all three domains of the earth? So what is the answer?
Biosphere.
Biosphere.
Simple.
Biosphere.
It is so simple.
Yes,
Then,
ma'am, so
ready for the next question?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I'm super ready.
Correct. Now next question is very easy. It is only and only based on your speed. Okay? It is only based on your speed. Now let me see who is the quickest.
ma'am, for what?
For what? For typing the answer.
Ma'am, please tell the question again.
Okay. Name any 4 water bodies in hydrosphere. You only have to write down the names. Any 4. Now let me see who can type these 4 names. Name any 4 water bodies in hydrosphere. Very nice, Akshaj. Very nice, Aradhya. Good. Both have typed same water bodies.
Ma'am, I was the first.
Yes, Akshaj was the first one, Aradhya second, Vedanshu third.
Vidanshu third.
And where is Taranveer's answer? Where is Ankush Gautam's answer? Where is Manya's answer? Ansh Patel, Aman, Praveer, Adhya. Huh? Where are all your answers?
And we can do a challenge like you speak a paragraph and we have to
Given
type
the
in
answer.
chat box and we have to write in chat box and who will the first winner.
What, beta? I can't understand. Say it loudly.
Ma'am, we can also keep a challenge like you speak a paragraph from book and who win the first.
I can't understand. Can you understand what challenge we can give?
Ma'am, can I tell
No,
what
ma'am.
he is saying?
Yes, tell.
Ma'am, he is saying that, ma'am, we can read a paragraph and then we will do a race of it. Ma'am means who will read the first.
No. In that case, beta, you will not read it properly. You will just become like a super fast
Ma'am,
train
it's
and
not a type of
Ma'am,
race.
I am not, ma'am, I am saying that you
Mama,
will
I
read
have given the answer.
paragraph and we will
everybody be
type
quiet.
the
Let Praveer
paragraph
speak.
in the chat box.
Okay.
Praveer, why is your
Ma'am, I am
voice
saying
echoing?
that,
I still cannot
ma'am, I
understand,
think
beta,
my
what you are saying.
internet. Ma'am, let me type in the chat box.
Yes, do that. Very good. Taranveer's answer is there. Gauri's answer is there. Aman, your answer is there. Nice. Ankush, where is your answer? Ankush has just written plus. What plus? Write the names of 4 water bodies found in the hydrosphere. Very good, Manya.
Ma'am, Manya's answer is like me only.
Ma'am, I'm typing back.
Okay, ready for the next question?
Yep, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. Okay, next question. I will just speak out and you have to type the answer in the chat box. Listen to the question very carefully. Name the domain which has many different ecosystems. Name the domain that has many different ecosystems. I got the answer from 1, 2, 3. Very good. Akshaj, Vedanshu and Aradhya. Manya, very good. Manya, very nice. Keep it up.
Ma'am, it was really simple. Really
Yes, ma'am. So
simple.
simple.
Gauri, very good. Now, biosphere is the domain that has many ecosystems. Taranveer, which is that domain, beta, which that has many ecosystems, different ecosystems? Which is that domain?
Ma'am, biosphere.
Biosphere. Aman, which is that domain, beta, which has many different ecosystems? Aman.
Ma'am, I'm the first again.
I'm asking. No, Aman, beta, not atmosphere. It's biosphere. Biosphere is a domain that has many different ecosystems.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now let me see who can type the definition of ecosystem. What is an ecosystem? What is an ecosystem? Very good, Ankush. Good. You have typed the answer. Now tell me what is an ecosystem? Who will type the answer? Ma'am, I'm saying that we can have race of typing and you will read a paragraph from the book and we will type that. Okay. So you think you will be able to type it very fast? That's also a very good game. Very nice. Praveer, we will play this game surely. Not today, but some other day.
Ma'am, I have written the answer.
Ma'am, I don't know.
system. Very nice, Akshat. Very quick. Super fast.
Typing, so it is taking a time. Ma'am, I am the third time first.
Ma'am, I don't know.
Praveer, beta, you're a newcomer. You're a new admission this year.
No,
No,
I'm
ma'am,
from
he's
He's an old student.
yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
And ma'am, I
And what
am.
about Ankush Gautam? Ankush Gautam is a new student? Or
Yes,
he's
No,
also
ma'am,
old
he's
now?
also an old student.
Okay.
When I was in second class, he's also in second class.
All right. Because I have not seen Praveer and Ankush in class 3. I have not seen these two students. Rest all I have seen.
Ma'am, I think
Ma'am, because my phone is.
Okay, you
Ma'am, is
never attended classes when you were in class 3. Is that so?
ma'am, because my phone is lost.
Okay. Gauri, beta, you have your social studies book? Yes, Gauri, you have your social studies book?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now open this chapter 5, domains of the earth. Open this chapter. And in the paragraph biosphere, open the paragraph of biosphere. I think it is on page number 32. I'm not sure. On which page is it?
Ma'am, 34 page number.
34. Okay. Now in that paragraph, just see what is an ecosystem. And now see from there and type it in the chat box. Gauri. Okay? Type it in the chat box. I want to see the answer from you. I have received answer only from Akshaj and Vedanshu. 2 students. Taranveer, Praveer, Ankush, Manya. Where are your answers? Yuvraj.
Ma'am, there is no definition of ecosystem.
Really? Are you
Ma'am, but in
sure?
my
Who
book
is saying there is no definition?
Ma'am, Aradhya.
Aradhya? How are you saying this thing, beta?
It is there
Ma'am,
in the
means
Yes, ma'am, it
ma'am,
is
I
there.
don't know in which paragraph it is.
It is in biosphere, beta. It is in the
Ma'am, it
domain
is in biosphere.
Have you written answer also in chat
Ma'am, I have written it.
Manya has written with so many spelling mistakes. Ecosystem is a complex. Huh? LAX. Complex. And community. CAMM. Community.
Written, but it is when I am doing it is that.
What have you written? Of living and non-living things. Of living and non-living what? Of living and non-living. Then you have eaten the word things.
Yes, ma'am.
Manya, you were in so much hurry to type, huh? Not taken care of anything. Okay, never mind. Now, Aradhya, have you found the answer? Taranveer, sitting in a relaxed position, huh? Relaxing in the class? Be like this and type. Type the answer. Hurry up. Ankush Gautam is again relaxing.
I'm done.
Ma'am, I become very quick because I drink coffee in the day.
You have become what?
Ma'am, I become very quick because I drink coffee in the day.
Quick person in what? I don't understand.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, he is saying
ma'am, in
that
the
I
phone
am.
there is a system where the mic is. We will put it and we will write something and send it.
Oh.
Ma'am,
You are using that feature. Yes, Akshar, are you using that feature?
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am,
this
I
is the
think
secret
so.
of Akshar. Ma'am, we have to
Ma'am,
silence
because
others
anyone
and say that.
cannot write it
Yes,
so
ma'am.
fast.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, that's
No one.
correct.
Ma'am, someone can write in the
Yes,
paper,
ma'am.
but not on computer.
Yes.
Ma'am,
So Akshar is
Ma'am, I am
using that
using
feature. Huh?
Ma'am, I am using laptop. Ma'am, I am also not writing so fast.
the laptop there is no device we can say.
Yes, ma'am. We have to type.
Ma'am, I'm in phone.
Okay, now Gauri has also sent the answer and Aradhya has also sent the answer. Very nice, very good. Still there are students left. Now I will remember who is not sending me. Even after I have called out your names, you're not answering.
Ma'am, next question.
Next question. Next question. Just wait. Next question is very, very tough. Very tough. Nobody will be able to answer.
Ma'am, read the answer.
Ma'am, written answer.
Ma'am, I'm the first.
Ma'am, I am also taking the answer.
Now I will not count Akshaj because he is using a very smart feature.
Yes,
The
ma'am.
name of the game is fastest finger first, not fastest mouth first.
So, ma'am, fastest voice. It's simulator, not. It is
No,
not that.
so you have to use your finger, beta.
Ma'am, I'm not using, I'm using finger only.
You're using finger only, then it's okay.
Cannot write so fast.
This question has been answered by 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 students only. Why 5 students? Such an easy answer. What
But
does
I can write fast in
You
this.
were saying it's so difficult. It's so quick. Very easy.
I was joking. I was just kidding.
Am I all know?
I was just trying to scare you all.
Ma'am, I was not scared.
Huh?
Ma'am, I was not scared.
You were not scared. Very nice. Now next question.
Ma'am, I go to classroom. Ma'am, I go to
Go, beta, go. Children, why are you typing light in the chat box? L-I-G-H-T, L-I-G-H-T. What light?
Am I not typing? Manya is typing.
Why, Manya? Why are you typing?
Ma'am, I think it is light, but I know now it is water. And this is the answer.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, what do you mean by this question?
Okay, name the 3 states of water. Now, water is found in which all state? It is found in liquid state, then it is found in dash state, and then dash state. So which are the 3 states that water is found in?
Yes, found in.
Very good.
Yes, found in that.
Vedanshu has sent the answer. In cold regions where the temperature is in minus, water is found in which state? The water is all frozen over there. So it is found in solid state. When the water gets heated up, in which state is it found?
Yes.
Very nice. Very good. Manya and Aradhya. So answers have come from Vedanshu, Taranveer, Aradhya and Akshat. Still there are students who are not replying. Praveer, what are the 3 states in which water is found in nature? Name the 3 states.
Ma'am, I know only 2. Ma'am, can I write in chat box only 2?
Yes, right. Very good. Manya has written. I think now it's time for one last question, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. 3 minutes and 35 seconds.
34 seconds.
No, the last question, I'll give you a big one, so that you also take a little time in typing it.
No, ma'am, we are the fastest typers.
Okay, now again you have to define something. Okay, you will define. It's in the chat box. See. Now let me see who defines it first.
Ma'am, written.
Very quick. Fastest voice first.
Ma'am, fastest.
Very nice, Vedanshu. Very nice, Aradhya. Very good. But I want answers from Praveer, Taranveer, Manya, everyone. Very good, Gauri. Very nice. Praveer, I'm waiting for your answer. Very good, Taranveer.
Ma'am, it's so short. It's so short answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Very, very short answer.
Yes, ma'am. In laptop, it takes only 3 lines.
Yes, ma'am. And in real, just 1 line.
Ma'am, I played the game ma'am. I'm a very quick chatter.
Ma'am,
Hurry up and type.
ma'am, 1 minute is
Ankush,
only
Gautam,
left.
Praveer, hurry up and type your answers.
Ma'am, only 1 minute is left. 1 and a half.
1 minute and 16 seconds.
1 minute and 14 seconds. 12 seconds.
Ma'am, 10 seconds, 9 seconds, 8 seconds, 7 seconds, 6, 5, 4, 3,
2,
1.
1. Less than 1 minute.
It's 12 o'clock. I can feel it. Ma'am, class is over.
It's 12 o'clock. The class
Less
is
than
over.
1 minute is left.
Children,
I'm
have
not
we
only-
completed, listen, children, have we completed all the long answers of this chapter?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No,
We have
ma'am.
not done.
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am, we
No,
have
ma'am.
done. Not all, ma'am. Just till second. Just till second question.
We have done till the
Yes, ma'am. Till second, not completed all. 2 are left. Third and fourth.
We will complete the chapter tomorrow. Don't worry.
But in my
And we have done it.
Ma'am, only two questions are left, not third and